and squealing frantically. Time for some treasure.
Whoa.
See? Snitchy, sneaky, perfect. Come on, you. Let's go.
But I don't want to leave. Come on, you lazy horn horse. No time to dally.
Please, I'm so tired. Can't we rest?
Okay, now to tie it tight. What's going on? Come on, you big lug. Get a move on. Oh, I really don't want to do this. Is she?
Wow! Jackpot! Gotta get all the cash. Mine! 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 Mine!
Just a little closer.
Oh.
Hey! Yeah!
Oof.
Wow. Oh no! My money! I must keep running!
Keep going!
Must escape!
Good morning, world! Cheep, cheep! What a perfect day! I don't believe it! Where could they have gone? This is impossible! They're all gone. I lost them all. Why? Oh, why? I don't know what I'd do without you all. Thank you. Quack. Keep up, everyone. We need to go faster. Quack, quack. Snort, snort. No! 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 It's all gone! How could this happen? Oh, please, no! Help! Someone broke in. The animals are gone. Please, you have to come now. Hurry!
Good morning.
Hey, Rep.
Oh, it's you. What's wrong?
We have a situation at the old warehouse. Armed suspects.
On my way. Dispatch units immediately. Seal off the area.
I'm coming! I'm coming! Don't take off without me! Hup!
Almost there.
Just a little push. Okay. We are ready. Ah!
And then he just disappeared like a puff of smoke.
Are you certain he didn't just walk away?
Officer, I saw it with my own eyes. Poof.
What's this? Aha! Gotcha.
What the? This is unexpected.
I should probably, collect this. Aha! I know what this means. Eureka! Ah!
Huh? What's that? Huh? Is that a plane? Try to take this from me now.
What is that? Fear not. We will handle this.
You're under arrest, little thief. Ah, darn it.
You're free.
Go on, go on.
Safe journeys, my friends.
Bye now.
Oh, I love you all so much. I love you too.